Project Search is a program for young adults with developmental and learning disabilities. We have classroom instruction opportunities. We also offer coaching and actual on-site job skills that they learn throughout the rotations. And at the end of the program, they develop these skills that will help them secure employment, which is our ultimate goal.
In my departments alone, we have 9 full-time employees that have come from the program. And they are part of our family. They are some of our best employees. When you can provide someone that confidence that they can do a full-time career and to feel like, hey, I had some part in that, it's pretty awesome.
It helps a lot that they know the duty, so why not hire them, right? It's a win-win. They're dependable, they're hardworking, they love what they do, and they're eager to learn something new.
We currently have over 20 employees who have graduated Project Search and are now working for UCLA Health. It just shows how impactful this program really is and the real results. This program is going to continue being successful in the future as well, and we're going to continue to change lives.